Hey everybody, we're back for another video. We're going to change things up a little bit. We have a buddy that banged up his little pickup, so we're going to take the bent up fenders and hood off it, and we're going to put some new panels on it. So this should be a fun little project that we'll go ahead and get onto real quick here, and hopefully within a few days we'll have it caught up and he can put his wrap on it. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and our notifications button, and don't forget to leave a comment. If you like our videos, great. Hope to hear from you, and let's go ahead and get started on this. Okay, as you can see, we've been working on the truck. We got the hood off it, the fender off it, the other fender's gone, bumper's gone, all that kind of stuff. We got our core support removed. We had to drill the spot rivets out, or the spot welds out. Got that all taken out, and we have our frame straightened. It wasn't too hard to straighten, just the very end of it was off. I'm going to take the camera off the base here so I can get a little better view for y'all. There we go. So as you can see, this frame horn here is nice and straight. That one there was not bent in the little fender bender he had. This one here is now straightened back out. The end bracket has been straightened out. That's right here. So we have that ready to go back on. It goes on like this and it welds. Let's see here. Welds back in that area right there. I'll just see if I can leave that hang. Back up a little bit so it'll look kind of like the other one when it's done. And then we can put our new brackets and stuff on there. We're as far as we can go right now with it. Here's our core support here that we took out. You can see, if I look down this way, how hopefully the camera will pick up how bent it is. Let's see if we can get a little, there you get a little better shot of it. So we're waiting on a new core support. We have both fenders. We have the grill support, the bumper, the splash pan under the bumper. We got a new hood over there. So we got new headlights, turn signals, all of our bumper brackets and stuff here. So we're waiting on a core support, and hopefully it'll be here within the next few days. We're going to go ahead and end this video at that. When we get our core support in, we'll put it back together. I gotta flip this, see if I can. There we go. We get our new core support in. We'll put our bumper and everything together, and then we'll just hold it with some clamps. We'll weld it all in, and we'll start putting it back together. So at this point in time, we're as far as we can go with this, so we're going to end this video, and part 2 will be started as soon as the other parts come in. So thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notifications button so you can be notified when our new videos come out, and we'll see you on the next one.